How to maintain the HP DesignJet XL 3800 multifunction printer. In this video we're going to cover how to clean the platen, clean the scanner glass, clean the carriage rod, and clean the encoder. Step 1. Clean the platen. You should clean the platen when you receive a message to do so on the printer control panel, or if you notice any issues. Clean the platen if you notice any of the following issues. Ink smearing when printing with presets that used to work well. Frequent paper jams. Ink stains and marks on the back of your prints. Banding or graininess that appears in the first 10 centimeters of the print cut when you use a paper and preset that used to work well. See page 182 of the user guide for more information on troubleshooting print quality issues. Tip: clean the platen with a soft cloth to remove ink and media dust. If loaded, unload the roll, then turn off the printer. Open the top cover. Clean the print platen with a cloth to remove ink and media dust. Use a 1mm pin to unclog every hole in the print platen. Be sure to push the pin all the way through. Clogged vacuum holes can create image quality issues and paper issues. When finished, close the top cover. Step 2. Clean the scanner glass plate. It is recommended that the scanner glass be cleaned periodically, depending on how often you use the scanner. Turn off the printer by pressing the power button and disconnect the power cable from the printer. At the rear left of the scanner, slide the small lever up and open the scanner cover. Warning: do not lift the scanner while the scanner cover is open. This can cause your fingers or hand to be trapped or crushed. Dampen a lint-free cloth with distilled water and wring it dry. Then gently wipe the scanner glass and the surrounding area. A suitable cloth is provided with the printer. Caution: do not use abrasives, acetone, benzene, or fluids that contain these chemicals. Do not spray liquids directly onto the scanner glass plate or anywhere else in the scanner. Don't worry about tiny droplets of water left on the glass after cleaning, they will evaporate. As an optional step, for more thorough cleaning, you can remove the glass plate and clean it on both sides. And clean the pressure rollers and the feed rollers. Close the scanner cover and gently push it down to lock it into place. Note: clean the area immediately in front of the scanner, where the scan sheet rests before scanning. Reconnect the printer power cable and turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Step 3. Clean and lubricate the carriage rod. Always use a clean cloth and dampen it with a general-purpose industrial cleaner. Lubrication oil is included in the maintenance kit. Open the scan access window. Clean the carriage rod using a clean cloth dampened with a general-purpose industrial cleaner. Remember to also clean the portion under the left cover. Caution: while cleaning, be careful not to damage the plastic encoder strip located on the top of the rod. Now clean the carriage rod in the other area, including the portion of the rod under the right cover. Using the bottle of oil from the printer maintenance kit, deposit a very thin back and forth trickle of oil along the rod. Take care not to use too much oil on the rod, as it could spill onto other parts of the printer. The carriage then moves from one side to the other to distribute the oil along the whole rod. Step 4. Clean the encoder. Note: the encoder strip should be cleaned when you receive a message to do so on the printer control panel. Open the scan access window. Dampen a lint-free cloth with distilled water and wring it dry. Use the cloth to clean the encoder strip on both sides. The carriage then moves to the left-hand side of the printer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.